Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can embed videos inside of our Knowledge Forum notes. So in this case, we're on a wildlife view, and we've created this note called Photosynthesis and Chlorophyll, Important for Life. So if I open up this note, you'll see that it opens up to this YouTube video player. So this is an embedded video inside of Knowledge Forum, and I can click this play button to play the video.
Photosynthesis. I love photosynthesis because it gives me two things that I need. I need to breathe, so it gives me oxygen, and I need to eat, and so it's going to give me food. So
this video is a great introduction to photosynthesis and the importance of photosynthesis for life. So let's see how we got this video inside of Knowledge Forum. So to get started, I'll go over to YouTube. Now I'll find the video that I want to play, and you'll see in the bottom right corner here below the video there's a label called Share. If you click on Share, it'll open up a couple options here. So what we want to do is we don't just want the link to the video, but we want to embed that video inside of Knowledge Forum. So I'm going to click Embed, and you can see some code pop up, and this might look confusing, but all we have to do is copy this code. So we'll go down to the bottom right corner here, and once we click copy, it'll automatically copy everything that we need. And with that, we can go back to Knowledge Forum. So I'll click this new note button to create the new note. And then just like that code started with these tag symbols, I'll click on that. So that says source code right there. Click there. And I'll just highlight all that and then paste in the new code that we had just copied. And again, you'll notice those little tag symbols right there surrounding the iframe tag. So it starts and ends with this word iframe. And once you see all that in there, you can simply go ahead and click OK. Now the note is the video is embedded inside of Knowledge Forum. And now I can go ahead and click Contribute, and we have now embedded a video. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope to see you in the next video.